It's bad enough, it's scary when people fall behind on their taxes. It's not a pleasant situation. What makes it worse is when someone sends you a letter on their, legal stationery saying things like, you're in danger of losing your home, you need to act immediately, you need to take steps to prevent your home from being taken away or foreclosed upon. Well, we're here today to stand up for the residents and say, you know what, don't panic, don't be concerned. You know what, there are steps you can do, again, to make sure your house is not being taken away from you. And frankly, what's worse is, you know what, we shouldn't be in a time where people are sending letters to residents and scaring them. We've had numerous residents walk into this office, the town of North Hempstead tax office, and Oyster Bay, where they have shown us a letter from a local attorney who has sent them saying things that you need to take immediate action to keep your home. Your home is in chance of being taken away. Well, you know what? This is wrong to send this kind of letter to residents. As I said, we've had residents walk in, and we've taken the time to do the research, and in many instances, we have found that these residents are not in any immediate danger of losing their homes. There are simple steps they can take to catch up on their taxes, and in one case, we had a resident who wasn't even late on her taxes. She had received the letter. She basically came here in tears, concerned that she was on the brink of losing her property because of this letter. Well, we're here to tell residents, stop. Do not believe this sort of letter you're receiving in the mail. There are steps you can take if you fall behind on your taxes. One of the easiest things to do is to call the Nassau County Treasurer's Office. They will explain to you perhaps how much you owe and a penalty. You can go down there, make a payment, and have your case resolved very, very quickly. In addition to that, there are companies out there, in particular I'll point out to the Nassau County Bar Association, which offers free advice and clinics on foreclosure if your house is in that case. And there are other legal remedies out there that you could take with other charity organizations. But the biggest concern that residents should have is, look, nobody should be trying to drive up business for themselves by scaring taxpayers. And that's exactly what this letter does. It's frightening people.
It shouldn't come out of the blue that somebody would get a letter like this notifying them that they're about to lose their home by an outside private lawyer, law firm. It is a very scary letter. We really can't have lawyers and a law firm sending out letters like this to our residents.
It takes years from someone to not pay their taxes to actually go into foreclosure. It takes 2 to 3 years. This is an attempt to drum up business by scaring residents. And again, the towns are here to help you, the Nassau County Bar Association is, and a simple step as going down to the county treasurer and getting paid up to date to your taxes can resolve the issue. Don't feel the fear and the need to call an attorney because they send you a letter that's saying you're going to lose your home.